subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Lenovo has launched its new affordable smartphone under K series in Russia called Lenovo K13 Note, and it is actually a rebranded version of the Moto G10 smartphone that was launched back in February this year. Talking about the specifications, the Lenovo K13 Note features a 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has an 8-megapixel selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The textured rear panel of the phone features a quad camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash and a fingerprint sensor for authentication. The quad rear camera includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 180-degree field of view plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Lenovo K13 Note comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU, and it packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via hybrid microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 11 out of the box. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.22 by 75.73 by 9.19mm, and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Lenovo K13 Note has been priced in Russia at 12,490 Russian rubles, and it is now available for purchase in the country at a discount price of 9,990 Russian rubles. The smartphone will be available in Aurora Grey and Pearl Sakura color options. So what do you guys think of this Lenovo K13 Note smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.